Hey guys, welcome back to Math at School. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve this interesting looking word problem, which asks me to calculate original price when the increased price with tax is given as following. Now, if you feel like you know how to approach this question and solve this question, then please go ahead, pause this video, and solve it yourself. And I would advise you to post your final answer in the comment section and check whether you got this question right or not, because I'm going to reveal the correct answer in just minutes. And for those of you who just want to watch me solve this question step by step, I'm going to get started right now, so let's go. Okay, so the price of one movie ticket rose by 30%. Now, nowadays, the price of everything is rising, right? What can we do? With 5% sales tax, it is now whopping $16.38 or $16.38. So the question is asking us to calculate its original price before tax and before price increase. How much were those tickets being sold for before the price increase, before tax? So, in order to solve this question, I'm gonna need to set up an equation with unknown variable of x, and I'm gonna set that unknown variable of x equal to the original price of movie ticket before the price increase. And if I set x equal to that, I am going to calculate the price increase of 30%, and I know a lot of you will just go ahead and multiply 30%, and well, whatever I get is the increased amount of that movie ticket. Well, that's wrong, because if you multiply 30% to the original value or the original price, then the answer you get will be just the increased amount or increased price after the price increase. So if the ticket was $5 and it increased to $6, then by multiplying the 30%, then you're going to get $1 basically. And you don't want to do that, right? You want to calculate for the total price of ticket after the price increase. And in order for you to do that, you should not use 30%, but you should use 130%. If you multiply 130%, then you'll get the total price after the price increase. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 130%, and as I have told you in many of my other videos, you can think of percent as number in 100. So 130% is equal to 130 in 100, or 130 over 100, or better yet, 1.3. So, the first step is to multiply 1.3 to the original price, which is represented by x. That's going to give me the price of movie ticket after 30% increase. So, x times 1.3 will give me price of movie ticket after 30% increase. But we are not done yet, because we need to calculate tax as well. So, in addition to this price, I am also going to multiply the sales tax of 5%. But again, you should not multiply 5%, because if you do that, you are going to get the amount of tax, not the total price with tax. So in order for you to get the total price with tax, what you should do instead is to multiply 105%, or better yet, 1.05. So if I do that, if I multiply 1.05 to this amount, then I'll get the price of movie ticket after 30% increase with 5% sales tax. That's correct, right? So let's set up an equation. X times 1.3 times 1.05 will be the price of ticket after 30% increase with 5% sales tax, which fortunately is already given to us in our question as $16.38. So I'm just going to plug that in on my right side of the equation. Now my equation is done. All there is left for me to do is solve for the value of x. So I'm going to move this up and solve for x. Let's simplify this equation by multiplying these two numbers. And if I do that by using my calculator, 1.3 times 1.05, I get 1.365. And if I multiply x here, I get this equation. And in order to solve for x, I'm gonna divide both sides with the coefficient of x, which is 1.365. Now the coefficient is removed, and I can say that x is equal to 16.38 over 1.365. And if I calculate that using my calculator, I get 12. So x was our original price. So I'm going to answer this question by saying the original price of movie ticket was $12. Be careful not to answer by saying, well, my x was equal to 12, because your teacher or your grader does not know what you set your x equal to, right? That's something that you made up, right? So you should always answer word problems by stating the unknown. In this case, it was the original price of the movie ticket. So by stating the unknown in words and stating the numbers with units. So I'm going to box this phrase and put a capital A beside it to indicate that this is indeed my final answer to this word problem. So I hope this video helped, and if you feel like you need more help, then you can visit my website on method.school, where you can access video solutions to many questions in these subjects. And also, I make these videos after a long day of work, so I would really appreciate it if you could like and share this video, and also consider subscribing to my channel to boost your math grade. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys in another video. Have a great day. Bye.